Hi everyone. So we've all chosen in my garden, which I think is quite good because we've all got our plants, haven't we? I hope they're coming along really well. So in my garden I can find all sorts of things. A trowel, a small fork, a watering can, a seed tray. Have you all been using those with your plants? I have gloves to keep my hands clean, a hat to keep off the sun, and a chair to sit on. Oh, looks like he's enjoying himself, doesn't he? There are friends in the garden. Oh wow, look at all these. There's a frog, a ladybird, there's a pretty butterfly, a bee, a spider with his web look, and worms. Oh look, they're all round him. And there are some I am not so happy to see. They eat my plants. So remember these now. Slugs and snails. And lots of green flies. So you want to watch out for those for your plants. There is a quiet place where I can hide away, and a noisy place where I can play. Looks like fun, doesn't it? There are things that I can smell. Pooh, this is lovely. I hope you don't do that. What a smell! A compost heap. Ooh-wee. Lavender, that smells nice. Some mint and blossom. And there are things I can eat. Strawberries, carrots, apples and cabbages. They're funny looking cabbages, aren't they? In spring I plant seeds. In summer I pick flowers, fruit and vegetables. In autumn I sweep up the leaves. In the winter I feed the birds. My garden is the best place to be. Here we go. Hope you all enjoyed that. So next week we've got the choice of What a Busy Baby, Topsy and Tim, and When I Go to the Nursery. So don't forget, put your votes up, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, love you.